Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can launch camera by volume down button. When you just press your volume down button, it will open camera. How you can enable that. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to click on lock screen, swipe down and here it is launch camera. Double press the volume button to open camera when the screen is locked. Friends, you have to just double tap the volume down button like this. I show you. When your phone is locked, you have to just double tap it and it will open. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.